Here is how to change a battery in this smoke detector. Oh, there it beeped. So you open this pad here. All right, so I took it out and put it over here. That's the old battery. And here is the new battery. And you put it in the exact same way. Like this. And let's make sure it's put in correctly. And it looks like it is put in correctly. Let's hope. Yep, it is. So let's close this. Why did it just beep again? It has a red light. Hold on. So I figured out why it beeped again and why the light is flashing red. So it's not on the battery's end because it's a new battery. It's on the smoke detector's end. It's that the smoke detector is no longer working. It's no longer functional. So now I need to buy a new smoke detector because this unit is not working anymore. So let's take the battery out and just, yeah, we need to get a new one. All right, there we go. Here's the battery. And yeah, here's the smoke detector, which this unit no longer works. How do I close this? It's not closing for some reason. Well, this doesn't work anyway. Just have to put this in the trash. So it doesn't really matter at this point. Let me try to close it though. I don't know, for some reason it won't close. But yeah, that's what there is to it. Here's the old battery. And here's the new battery that I put in, but still doesn't work. So, yeah. And here's where the smoke detector originally was. So here's the ladder because I took it down and it was right up there.